Hi everyone, it's Kelly and I have a design team project to share with you for Mbtreasurista. I'm not actually going to share with you the pin cushions that I made. I'll share a couple of things from the Mbtreasurista store that I used, but most of these were kind of a hodgepodge mismatched of my stash. So I did not have to purchase anything for these. I've been using up stuff from my stash, but from Mbtreasurista I used the green sweetheart blossom in the center here. And then I also used a red acrylic gem in the center here. And then I also used flat back pearls for the center of these two. And then on this one I used a bead, one of the teardrop acrylic beads. So I used those, but the main item that I wanted to share with you was the Mbtreasurista stick pins. And they are down here. So I decided I wanted to do a stick pin for each one of the flowers, but I wanted them to be a little bit different. And so I decided to use some of the goodies that she sent, and then I'll show you the different stick pins that she has here. Misty carries the pearls and the diamond acrylic stick pins looks like this, and the pearl teardrop stick pins, they look like this. Okay, so I did do stick pins to match each one. I'm going to go out here a little bit and I'll show you how I did each one. So the first one here that I have, I took one of the organza flowers and I just stuck the stick pin down through the back of it sideways, and then I added a little green butterfly to that, and that was one of the acrylic butterflies. So that is what the first stick pin looks like, and then I'll put that in here and it looks like that. So that's the first one, and let me scroll out a little bit here. The next one that I did is, again, I used the gem bead stick pin, and then I just added some other beads from my stash. So I don't know if you can see that. The lighting here is kind of crappy. I don't know if you can see this, but that's what that one looks like, and I made that one for this. So I'll just stick that one right down in there like that. And the next one, I used the gem bead stick pin again, and I used one of the acrylic butterflies and then more of the beads from my stash. And this one, whoops, this one matches this here. And I'll just put that one in there like so. Okay, and then the next one is the red, and I used again the gem stick pin bead from my stash and one of the organza and acrylic gem flowers in the red. I don't know if you can see that, but I just stuck it on sideways so the stick pin looks like this, and then I made that one to go in here. It looks like that. And the last one, I did something a little different. I took again one of the gem stick pins, and then I used some of the wheat sprays and I tied it on, as you can see, the wires on the back, and I did glue it, and then I used one of the satin and pearl bead flowers, and I just adhered that one on, again, on sideways. I glued it, and this one reminded me of a feather, so I really like how that one turned out. And that one just goes in here like so. And those are my pin cushions. I hope that you could see what each one looks like with the stick pins. I really like how they turned out, and I used a lot of the little tiny acrylic goodies from Mbtreasurista. So I'll have the links below, I'll have the products below, and a coupon code for you for 10% off. So thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you comment and tell me if you like them or not, and have a great day. Bye!